Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co daily stock market review for the trading day ending Thursday, September 15th. Firstly to the S&P 500, and here we see solid buying coming in off very strong support below the 21.25 level and around this 21.19 area. Importantly, a white body candle is formed, and it does suggest that the buyers are attempting to build some upside momentum. Unfortunately for the buyers, they were rejected from above the Ichimoku cloud, so that's going to be a good test for them for the next day's trading. The next day's trading cloud is roughly about 21.49, and just above there we have potential resistance at the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, which trade at 21.53 and 21.56, so very solid resistance overhead for this market. I like the way that we've built momentum here, but the buyers are really going to have to be very strong to trade up through this resistance, but if they do, and if they can close in a bullish manner, we could end up testing up to within this window, which extends from 21.69 up to about 21.77. In terms of Ichimoku, we are just neutral by just trading within the cloud, and also just slightly negative in the, just neutral in the longer term time frame by trading just within the cloud, and just slightly negative in the medium and fast term time frames by trading just slightly below the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen. And look into the bands, and the bands are seeing a retracement go on. The bands have become moderately wide, and the market is attempting to mean revert, and we have had a very strong negative tone to this market in recent days by trading below that lower band. Retracing back to the band has seen resistance coming in at that lower band, which trades at 21.48, and the market has failed to close back within the band, so that's going to be a very important benchmark for us moving forward. The lower band may continue to hold as resistance. If we do trade within the bands, it will signify a short-term weakening in that strong downtrend that we had, and we could mean revert back to the middle of the bands, which trades at the moment at 21.68, where we could find some resistance coming in if the buyers are strong enough to trade up to that region. Moving to the Nasdaq 100, and this is where a lot of the action has been in the equity space. Very solid white body candle off the back of the market finding a resistance around the Tenkan-sen indicator. We've opened above the Tenkan-sen indicator today. It has held as support, so it does suggest that we've seen a potential important change of sentiment in the short-term time frame as well as the medium-term time frame by trading above the Kijun-sen, which is at the same area as the Tenkan-sen. So very important trading activity here today. Also closing through that window that was open previously, and this really does highlight how strong the buyers have been in this market today. We've also just slightly closed through the 48.16 previous level of resistance, and very close to testing through that major high at 48.39. So good solid return of the buyers here, in line with the market remaining positive in the longer term time frame by continually trading above the Ichimoku cloud, and quite different than we've seen with the S&P. This suggests that with this solid build of momentum, that there is an opportunity here for the market to establish a new major high above 48.39. Just looking at the bands, and the bands do bring this medium-term price action into perspective, where we've traded back within the bands. Previously, the bottom band was holding as resistance. If you recall, we broke out to the downside. We didn't see the required follow-through, the required negative follow-through to confirm that breakout. We've then seen the market retrace. The bottom band now holding a support, upper band as resistance. It does look as though there is potential for this market to transition into a new strong uptrending phase. Having said that, however, the upper band is held as resistance, and that will be our benchmark moving forward. Upper band trades at 482. I was right the first time, 4821. And if you can trade in a bullish manner above there, with strong bullish follow through, take out that major high, 4839, we could see further strong uptrending activity in the medium term time frame.